Boppity, boppity, boo.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be adding in some crochets. I already did my cornrows, and if you'd like to see how I did my cornrows, click the video down below and it will show you. So the first thing I'm doing actually is just applying some oil on my scalp. That way like my hair can stay hydrated and everything will be all set once the hair is in there, because you can keep it in for like over a month or like at least 3 weeks. So that's why I'm applying the oil in there so my scalp is not dry. And then you're going to need actually any kind of crochet needle. This one kind of sucks, so don't use that one. And the hair that I'm using is a V.8.9.10 Kinky twist out. They come in multiple colors and you only need one pack to do your whole head, which is amazing. And the lengths are like medium, short, and then extra short, because it's not like a long hair style. It's just supposed to be like a short one and cute. so this is the finished look of my hair. I might cut off like some of the long extra pieces that are just kind of floating out in the universe for no reason. I might cut those off. But yeah, I hope you guys like this hairstyle, and if you do like it, don't forget to give it a fat thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys.
Boppity, boppity, boo.